Hi all, welcome to Coastal Kitchen. Today let's make restaurant style dal fry recipe at home in a healthy way. Now soak tur dal for 5 minutes. You can take any other dal but I would suggest tur dal. Add the soaked dal along 2 cups of water with some salt and pressure cook it up till 3 whistles. Here for 1 cup of tur dal, I have taken 1 medium size onion and 1 medium size tomato, and I have taken only 2 green chilies. If you want, you can add more. So I'm taking this big ginger and I'm grating it. Adding grated ginger will enhance the taste. You can also add small chopped pieces of ginger. So here I've taken 12 to 15 cloves of garlic. I've chopped them down to small pieces. Now to the pot add some oil and add grated ginger. Then add chopped garlic and fry it well. To that add chopped green chilies and mix it. To fry these ingredients very well until we get the fresh aroma. To that add 1 piece of cinnamon stick and 2 bay leaves. Fry it well. Now add 1 cup of onion and fry the onion very well until it becomes transparent. Then to that add 1 chopped tomato. Fry the tomatoes very well until it becomes mashy. When tomatoes are very well cooked, to that add a pinch of turmeric, a spoon of chili powder, 3/4 spoon of jeera powder, and a 3/4 spoon of garam masala powder. You can also add coriander powder, but here I have skipped it. Now add pressure cooked tur dal along with the water. You can add water as per your consistency. Here I have added moderate water, just the thickness. Dal fries are not too thick or not too watery, so it's in between. Now add salt as per the taste and stir it very well. Now for tempering, take 5 to 6 spoons of ghee. To that add chopped garlic cloves and 5 to 6 red chilies. To that add 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 1 spoon of jeera, and then add curry leaves. When the mustard seed starts popping out, tempering is ready. Now add this to the cooked dal, garnish with some coriander leaves and serve hot. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.